Welcome back to another 3-minute furniture makeover. I bought this piano bench for $10 from the thrift store, and I thought that it would make a pretty cute bench in a small entryway. It is laminate, so it's basically slick plastic, so it's the perfect piece for me to test some new to me paint on. I filled in the damage on the top, let it dry, and then sanded it down. This paint says to just clean and paint, but on the back it does say to scuff sand slick surfaces. I used a deglosser on it like they recommend in their videos, and then I scuff sanded half of the bench. I wanted to see if it would stick without scuff sanding. I used the sponge that they say to use and wiped the oyster colored paint on. And then I stippled the paint. It took 3 coats of paint to get full coverage. While the last coat was still wet, I distressed the edges with a wet rag. And 3 days later, I scratched at the paint to see how well it stuck to the laminate. It only scratched a little. The not scuff sanded side scratched a little tiny bit more, but still, that's pretty amazing. A week later, and it did not scratch at all. I am completely in shock by this paint. The only beef that I have is that there was a lot of texture in the paint, and I don't like texture. But I'm curious, would that bother you? Anyway, here is the cute little piano bench now. Whether it goes with a piano or in an entryway, it looks so much better than it did before, right? Are you confused and not sure where to start with your furniture makeover? Don't worry, I got your back. Click the link in my comment to download our free painting checklist so you can paint your furniture as if you hired a professional to do it.